Next here we have label on. So what that means, quite simply, is whether or not a label is going to fire when the sensor sees a container and the machine is turned on. What this allows us to do, so if we hit digit, it'll turn label off. If we hit value, it'll turn label on. And all this allows you to do, if for whatever reason you wanted to, you could turn label off and then turn labeling on, and that will run the conveyor without dispensing any labels. So in an instance where, for example, an ELF was actually placed in a production line and a product was being ran through the line that didn't require labeling, you could go into the menu and turn label off and then hit the label on button on the HMI itself, and that will run the conveyor without dispensing any labels. Getting back into the menu now, we have our speed selection. So this is a value from 1 to 4. And what that does is simply adjust the conveyor and applicator speeds for a given product. So the simplest way to demonstrate this is to just go through it. So I've adjusted our speed select setting to speed 1. So we can see just visually and also from the sound that the belt is running quite slow. And every time we increase our speed, it's going to incrementally increase the speed of both the conveyor belt and the label head. Three obviously being faster than 2, and so on. And our maximum speed being 4 as well.